You are listening to MM Story YouTube channel, the news headlines. Truck driver killing suspected militant attack on Convoy in Ukhrul district. Manipur CM says hostage taken militants will be traced soon. Security operations continue. 4 suspects arrested in kidnapping case involving 6 Naga civilians. Supreme Court allows Manipur to appoint DGP from outside the state cadre. Manipur to observe across the state with the cause to end proxy war in Manipur. Joint meetings of indigenous communities resolved to face current challenges. United aim. Top KCV militants later arrested in Delhi and ongoing hostage crisis. CM inaugurate Manipur Police Museum, calling it a tribute to police sacrifice. Manipur Police arrest alleged UNLFP extortion, operative weapons and rooms recovered. Disarm locks beauty cameras in diversity of alleged fraud LLP exam issue. The IPR camera procurement controversy sparked debate over use of public funds. Renowned art director Nangbum Sonat received MSFA Lifetime Achievement Award. A truck driver was killed after suspected militants fired a convoy in Ukhrul district on Friday. Security agencies have intensified operation in the area. Simnam Kamsan Singh said security forces are continuing search and combing operation to rescue hostages abducted by militants. He also confirmed that 4 suspects linked to the kidnapping of 6 Naga civilians have been arrested. A top commander of the banned KCP insurgent group, however, Dilip Singh allies Nanba was arrested in Delhi. Authorities believe the arrest could help ongoing investigation into militant activities in Manipur. The Supreme Court of India has permitted Manipur to appoint a Director General of Police from outside the state cadre, a move seen in significance amid ongoing law and order challenges. The Chief Minister also inaugurated a police museum, describing it as a tribute to the dedication and sacrifice of police personnel in the state. Various organizations observed 28 Manipur raising strong voice against what they describe as a proxy war in the state. The joint gatherings of business organizations resolved to collectively face threats and challenges confronting Manipur. Student organizations disarmed block Beauty Cameras University for alleged irregularities in LLB examination. Veteran makeup artist and art director Nangbum Sonat received the MSFA Lifetime Achievement Award during the Manipur State Film Development Society Awards ceremony. Supreme Court hears NEET UG paper leak case. Center says PM Modi is personally monitoring the matter. NIM raised 12 locations across states in Pakistan linked terror conspiracy investigation. IM issues warning for thunderstorm, hailstorm, heat wave and heavy rainfall across several Indian states. NHAI identified 17 highway assets for monetization during 2026-27 under thought and InVIT model. IPL 2026 playoff continue as a team but battle for place in the final schedule on 31st May in Ahmedabad. Government agencies intensify anti-terror surveillance amid concern over drone-based arms smuggling. Severe weather alert issued for Delhi, Rajasthan, Kerala, and Northeastern state. Education examination reforms dominate national discussion following the NEET controversy. The Supreme Court continued hearing petition related to NEET UG paper leak controversy. The Central and National Testing Agency informed the court that Prime Minister Narendra Modi is personally overseeing the re-examination reform process to ensure transparency and fairness. The National Investigation Agency conducted raids across 4 states in connection with a terror conspiracy linked to Pakistan-based operatives, investors, and arms, ammunition, and IEDs were allegedly supplied to the drone drops. The Indian Meteorology Department warned of unstable weather conditions including heat wave, thunderstorm, dust storms, hailstorm, and heavy rain. Delhi may witness dust storms and hail, while northeastern states and Kerala are expected to receive heavy rainfall. The National Highway Authority of India has solicited 17 highway projects covering nearly 1,700 km for monetization to attract private investment and raise infrastructure fund. The Indian Premier League playoffs are underway with the final scheduled for 31st May at the Narendra Modi Stadium in Ahmedabad. Discussions continue nationwide examining secretariat reform, digital monitoring, and AI assisting oversight. After recent exam controversies, India's push towards AI policy and governance also remain in focus following the Indian AI Impact Summit held earlier this year in New Delhi. Conflict involving the US, Iran, and regional allies continues to dominate global headlines. Reports say Iran launches missiles and drone attack near US airways in Kuwait following American strike near Bandar Abbas. Oil prices briefly surged towards $100 per barrel and fears of a shipping disruption in the Strait of Hormuz, contributing to rising inflation pressure worldwide. Israel operations in Gaza and Lebanon have intensified with warnings of worsening humanitarian conditions and mass displacement. US inflation climbed to the highest level since 2023, driven largely by higher energy costs tied to the geopolitical instability. Market reacted cautiously with the stock future slipping despite recent record high on Wall Street. Europe is discussing additional trade restriction on Chinese import, adding to global trade uncertainty. Hamza Biswas Sharma inaugurated a new Assam cricket museum in Guwahati today. All Assam Union states protested in Tinsukia against rising fuel price inflation. A Delhi court has issued notice to Assam CM Himanta Biswa Sharma about a plea related to alleged remarkable Mia water resources and found promising anti-cancer potential in the northeast famous both Zolokia. Silly. That is the end of the morning news. Have a nice day.